Bienvenidos mis cerebritos inteligentes. Welcome my brainy boffins. If you're new, welcome. I am Brainy Janey, but you can call me BJ. So today's video is just a little snippet of a subject that I wanted to talk about. I just wanted to be grateful for today because it is a Saturday, so Catterday, happy Catterday. And I just wanted to talk about what happened yesterday. So I ended up not going to work because I had a migraine and was dealing with headache stuff. And then, as I was getting later in the day, my boyfriend was dealing with some work issues as well, so he didn't go to work, and we were both off, and I had all this day planned regarding editing video stuff and just like YouTube channel stuff, and I was gonna go ahead and get on top of it. And then he called his sister, his oldest sister, and she was needing some help. She just had a lot of stuff that she needed to do and needed to get done, and she's getting married pretty soon. And so it's really interesting that we actually both went over to her house and helped her out. So, I cleaned and he raked the leaves in her yard, and I helped her do some laundry, and I really gave away my time. And that's not something that I really like to do just because I have so much I want to do in my time. But it was definitely a life lesson for me just because the truth is I needed to give her that time, because she needed more time than I did. And she's on a faster approaching deadline than I am, because my deadline is as much as you want to see it, and as much as I want to upload. But she's getting married. She has all this stuff she has to do before it happens. And so I'm glad that I was able to give that to her, especially because she's one of those people that just gives everything to everyone and never asks for anything. And is always willing to make sure that everybody's taken care of, and she cooks for everybody, makes cakes. She's a beautiful, beautiful artist when it comes to food, and I'm super excited about those tiny sandwiches she promised us in return. And but I just wanted to say that I'm very glad that I was able to help her do some of the less important stuff, like keeping her house clean and stuff like that. Not that it's not important, but it's just a little less important than her dress fitting and taking her niece to the doctor and all this other stuff. So I just want to say thank you, actually, for giving me that freedom, because I didn't have to think about anything other than what I was doing. And that was really cathartic, especially because it was cleaning. I don't know if you know this about me or not, but I do like to clean. I love clean stuff. I love the clean smells. It's awesome. And so I just wanted to make a quick video regarding that and let you know that while I try to do as much as I try to do, there are still other people that I need to be helping. And that is my ultimate goal, is to help people and to educate people and give people the opportunity to have more time and to have more love for themselves and for others. And I was able to show love for someone yesterday. So actually, I hope you're watching this, because wonderful, wonderful lady, you are amazing, and you deserve to have people take care of you too. You deserve to not have to take care of everyone all the time. So I have made it a goal of mine to do that for you, and I'm really glad that I got my first opportunity yesterday. So thank you for that opportunity, and I hope that it really helped you out and gave you some more of your time back so you could do something fun. I know that we ended up spending the rest of the day together, but at least, you don't have to worry about doing laundry now. You don't have to clean the house now. And so I hope that it was helpful, and I still got to spend time with my boyfriend, which was really cool, because we don't really get to do that very often. So even though we were working in separate areas, being able to walk and talk to him about something if I had a question or something is really, really awesome. So I just wanted to make this quick video, and this is like a part of the gratitude series. So I'm very grateful for the opportunity that actually gave me to help her. And it's really hard sometimes to ask for help, but I'm really glad that she accepted it when we offered, because she deserves it. She deserves to have more help. So I'm gonna be there when she needs me. And that seems a little corny, but it's okay, because it's all that matters, is that I'm helping other people. That is my ultimate goal, is to help other people and to help teach people that you can love yourself, and the world itself would be a better place if we loved each other and helped each other. And we did some self-sacrificing on our part regarding time or money or whatever you can give to them, because giving is a part of life. There's a give and take type of thing, and I definitely believe that I want to give more than I take. So thank you, Ashley, for this opportunity, and thank you, Chris, for also making this opportunity happen by calling her and talking to her. So thank you for watching. I know this has been quite a bit. This is a bit longer than I expected it to be, but I just wanted to say that. So this is part of my daily journey, is to be grateful and to seize opportunities as they come. So I will talk to you a little bit later, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments whether you thought it was something that I should even be grateful for, because I did end up working and stuff like that. But please put in the comments below and comment what your favorite part was. And if you like this video and you want to see more of these, please let me know in the comments below as well, so I'll make more of them and focus more on gratitude. And if you're interested, please subscribe and tap the bell to make sure that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you next time.